everybody, I'm the chef Elena Dominguez and I'm going to teach you how to do apple compote and ginger rice. Okay, and what do you need to do ginger rice? Well, first of all, you need 300 grams of basmati rice. Next, you need 4 centimeters grated root ginger. Then you need 2 cloves of garlic. One liter chicken stock, virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, and now I'm going to teach you how to do garlic rice step by step. First, crush the garlic in a pestle and mortar in a pan with some olive oil. Now, add the rice and the ginger and stir a few minutes until the rice begins to brown. Pour over the stock and cook it around 15 minutes and season with salt and pepper. And that's all, it's very easy. And now I'm going to say you something interesting about ginger rice. Did you know ginger rice is very subtle but full of energy and it goes with oriental dishes? Okay, and now what do you need to do apple compote? Well, first you need 6 cooking apples, for example, reinettes. You need 300 grams of sugar, 350 milliliters of water, 1 cinnamon stick, and a pressure cooker. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to do apple compote step by step. First, I'm going to peel and chop an apple, removing the core. Okay, I have already put the apple in the pressure cooker and now I'm going to put the water, some sugar, and a cinnamon stick. Okay, and then I'm going to put the pressure cooker in a high heat. And when the gain shows to lower the heat, cook for 6 minutes and leave to cool slowly before open. And now I'm going to tell you something interesting about apple compote. Did you know apple compote can be eaten warm or cold and with toast is an excellent breakfast or snack. And this is all for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye!